Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you easy way how to see posts from all friends on Facebook Android. So the first, open your Facebook app, then go to three lines menu on the right corner of your page. Then click feeds. Scroll down and this is page that you will see your all friends recent updates. All of them, also groups and pages. To see only your friends updates, you can click friends. This is all of your friends updates. Click groups for see all of groups updates. This is all updates on your groups. Click on the pages to see all of updates on pages that you follow. You can click favorites too if you have friends that you added to favorites. Like this, I want to add Bunda Ime. Then for the pages, I want to add Psikologi ID maybe, or Creepypasta Indonesia. Okay, then here we go, we can update it. Oh, there is no post yet. Okay, I will skip this one. So this is easy way how to see posts from all friends, group, and pages that you follow on Facebook Android. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.